Last of the German snacks. We got the Corny Big Choco Banana. It's the Hanuta Hazelnut Schnitz and the Knopper. It's crunchy, crispy. And then we have the last thing is this big ass sucker. So we're gonna try Knoppers.
Must be the last name.
Knoppers.
We can't share that, Daddy.
German ingredients. So we don't know what in the world we got going on here.
What do you think that's gonna be?
Alright, so
Daddy, what do you think that's gonna be?
we'll get there in a minute. Let's worry about one thing at a time. Okay, you're gonna eat all of this. Yes, you are. You're not trying that sucker. How about that? Cash me outside.
I don't like it.
Wafer. Some kind of like Oreo cream. Hazelnut, chocolate, or wafer.
I don't like it.
Oh, yeah.
I do too.
Pretty good, not too sweet. The only things that German had messed up on was the first two things we ate. Them ketchup chips and them peanut things.
I don't like that.
Okay, now we got
I
pretty good once you eat it.
I
Got some nuts in it.
The chocolate tastes like dark chocolate.
Ooh, these are fancy. Look, individually wrapped. Gold wrappers make you feel like dollar bills, y'all. Alright, this is some kind of chocolate wafer. Okay.
Give me a little piece. Right?
No, here.
Oh my gosh.
So this is hazelnuts schnitz. Hopefully this is like a Nutella.
That's too much chocolate for me.
No, it's Nutella.
No, I like Nutella, Daddy. Oh, I like Nutella.
You can't. You're un-American.
Well, oh yes I am, okay.
Who doesn't like Nutella?
Me. Some people don't. Some people can't even eat Nutella and probably don't even like it.
Everybody likes Nutella.
No, I don't. Nobody. Okay, I have people they do.
Okay. Do your thing then. If you like Nutella, comment yes. If you don't like Nutella, comment no.
No, if they do, they'd say Joey. If they don't, they say Stephanie.
Okay, if you like Nutella, say Joey. If you don't like Nutella, say Stephanie's a brat if you don't like Nutella.
Bro, nuh-uh. You really want that punch? I don't like that, Daddy. I'm nasty.
Alright, this is Corny Big. This is banana, chocolate. Look, this will be good. Oatmeal. All in German once again. I'm excited about this one. I bet this is going to be good. That was okay. It wasn't what I thought it was going to be. Oh, this is like a granola bar.
No, I'll mix them apart.
No, this is like a chewy granola
Oh,
bar.
there is something in there.
Smells like bananas. Oh, man.
Oh, that's what it is. Bananas don't smell like that. Oh, I like that part. Not that part.
This is good. This is like
Like a granola bar.
marshmallow Rice Krispies banana flavored. Huh. with chocolate on the bottom, like chocolate covered banana marshmallow treats.
See, they're not bad, but I don't like the chocolate.
Yeah, I'm trying this for later.
You like that?
This is good. The Germans did a good job on everything except for potato chips, with ketchup potato chips.
How are you gonna try that?
And the and the peanut things. Alright, so this is Hammer Candy. The Cool Harlequin Pop. So it says lollipop with gum center made with Buster's.
What's Buster's?
Center filled sour powder. So I don't know how it's lollipop made with gum center and it's center filled with sour powder. But there's two things in the center of this, and I think Buster's are German nerds.
Can I eat it? Eat it. Can I eat it, Daddy? Hey, this is like German nerds.
The nerds.
But that don't have no flavor to it. Look.
Probably just sugar. You got to get into it. I told you it's going to take you a stupid month to eat it.
Oh, no. I don't like that part. Man, I thought it was going to be that cool. What's stop?
I'm trying to finish chewing up this Big Corny. That was good. Is it nerds?
Yeah, kind of, but it's not like the color you're thinking of.
I'm about to find out.
Yeah, it's kind of like nerds. Oh.
Yeah, they're nerds.
I said yeah.
So we need to get in the middle of that thing.
Well, well, cut it then.
How you going to cut that?
I'm not going to be sitting here for a month just going. Cut it.
How you going to cut it? You can't cut that.
Yes, you can. You can too cut it.
We're going to try to chop it like it's hot. Quit, nasty. You done licked all over that stupid thing.
Yeah, sure have. Oh, let me try it. Ugh.
It's layered. It's like a jawbreaker popsicle. Oh, that is all.
Oh, I like that.
That was all bubble gum with sour shit right in the middle of it.
Oh.
That was a big old piece of bubble gum, about the size of a ping pong ball. That was gross. Alright, so we're through with the German snacks.
Oh.
Should be getting another box soon. That's what you get. Here. No, hell no. You wanted that? Eat it.
Still blood there.
Oh, you're bleeding. Look. Blood.
I don't like German.
Alright. Good night. We'll get the next box. We'll let you know as soon as we get the next box. German Snacks Part 3. That's a wrap.